Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Our channel is all about short informative videos and entertainment videos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today we are going to talk about ways to make money with ChatGPT. Before that, our last tip is the best in this video, so watch till the end. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate articles, blog posts, and other written content and YouTube videos. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, making it a valuable tool for freelance translators. Chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to develop chatbots for businesses and individuals, allowing you to monetize your skills and knowledge. So, why wait? Start exploring the world of ChatGPT today and discover new ways to monetize your skills and knowledge online. For more videos, visit our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.